Now let's check that how to we can find out the number of missing values in our data frame. For this, first we need to import library. So we import Pandas as PD. So this library help us to read a CSV file or XF file as data frame. Now we want our file. So the file available to us is titanic.csv. I need a URL or the path of this file copied as path. Now come back. Now Titanic is a file or data frame. We are going to read as CSV and run. Now this Titanic data frame has missing values. So the count of missing values we can find out from the info function. The point here during the info function that it gives us the non-null count, means that the number of columns or column wise number of rows where we don't have missing values. So that is the point, or that is the values we will get. But if you want to get the count of missing values directly, so on Titanic data frame dot is any dot sum will give us directly the number of missing values per column. So like for example, passenger class has 0 missing value, whereas age column has 263 missing values, fare has 1, and so on. So the Titanic, the name of the data frame, dot is an dot sum. Instead of is an, we can also use is null. So name of data frame Titanic dot is null dot sum will also provide us the same information. So this is how we can find out column wise number of missing values in our data frame.